everybody, Karina from Knit Indulgence here today, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the double decrease left for triple knitting. So there is going to be a lot of information in this video, so I suggest you take it slowly. Rewind if you need to go back. I will speak slowly and try to get all the steps as on the camera as best as I can so you can work through this double decrease. Now the first thing that we have to do is we have to rearrange our stitches. We need to work with 3 sets of stitches, and each set has 3 stitches in it, so a total of 9 stitches. We need to rearrange the stitches so we can work with the front, middle, and back layers at the same time. So what we're going to do now is rearrange the stitches for the top layer. We're going to insert our right hand needle purlwise into the 1st, the 4th, and the 7th stitch. Then we're just going to slip out that left hand needle and then back into those loops so we don't lose them. And then transfer those 3 stitches back onto the left hand needle so we can work them. So to work this double decrease in triple knitting, what we need to do is we need to slip 1 stitch knitwise and then slip 2 stitches together knitwise. And then transfer all 3 of those back purlwise onto the left hand needle, and then knit 3 together. Then bring our yarn to the front. Now we need to rearrange our stitches so we can work the middle layer. So I'm going to put our right hand needle into the 1st, the 3rd, and the 5th stitch. Slide that left hand, pinch and slide that left hand needle out. Catch those free loops there onto my left hand needle, and then transfer those 3 stitches back to the left hand needle. So this stitch is going to be worked the same as the top layer because this is a KKP row. If it was a KPP row, you would work the middle stitch the same as the back layer. Alright, for this stitch, again, we're going to slip 1 stitch knitwise. Then we're going to slip 2 stitches together knitwise. And then transfer all 3 of those back to our left hand needle purlwise. And then just knit 3 together. And then bring our yarn to the front. Now we don't need to rearrange any stitches to work the back layer decrease, so now all we have to do is remount our stitches first before we can work the decrease. To remount, we want to slip 1 stitch to the right hand needle knitwise, slip another stitch to the right hand needle knitwise, slip a 3rd stitch to the right hand needle knitwise, and then transfer all 3 back to the left hand needle. And there we have remounted all of our stitches to work the decrease. Now to work the decrease, this is what we do. We slip the 1st stitch purlwise through the back loops, slip 2 stitches together purlwise through the back loops, transfer all of these slip stitches back to the left hand needle, bring yarn to the front, and then purl all 3 together. And that is how you do the double decrease left, or the left leading decrease, double decrease. And that's a lot of information, and I'm sure that you want to go back look through it again and see if you got all the information, and practice this on a swatch or a project or anything that you are doing. I hope you had fun learning with me today. Have a great day.